nothing comes up to me, he don't even try. 'Cause if I had a set of wings, man, I know she could fly. She's my little blue scoop. You don't know what I got. Just a little blue scoop with a flathead milk. But she'll walk a thunderbird like she's standing still. She's boarded and relieved and she's stroking port. She's 140 in the top end floor. She's my little blue scoop. You don't know what I got. She's got a competition clutch with a 4 on the floor. And she purrs like a kitten till the lake pipes roar. And if that ain't enough to make you flip your lid, there's one more thing I got to think. I come off the line when the right to move. She goes around the water like you never seen. I get pushed out of shape, and it's hard to steer. When I get rubber in an awful.
Here we go, ma'am.
Oh my god!
Oh, that was a big splash. That was a big splash. Whoosh! Oh, yeah! Are you in, baby?
No.
I wouldn't want to go without you.
Whoa! Oh, Mother's gonna hate you.
Oh, she really loved the last one.
Is she?
Yeah, really.
Daddy gets it.
Go and get that.
Stay on board that time. I can keep up in the steps. very nice once you're in. Getting in is the problem. Getting in is the problem. Getting in is the problem.
Hello, Janie. It's going good. Is that nice, ma'am? Little splash.
Actually, wasn't it? Very ice fall off, you see. Ice
No, we have to wait.
I can't swim this one. How deep is it at the bottom? I cannot swim. How do you get started? I can never remember. This is why I never win, I can never get started. And walk.
Ma'am, step. Walk.
How many guys?
4.
Right there for me.
Right. Oh, hold on.
Oh my God, you got it! Think of the
Oh, bit of massage. Are you enjoying this, man? Yeah. Are you alright?
What can you do about it if she isn't?
Rubber bum. Oh, this is better.
Oh my God! Shoot a loose! This isn't a family ride!
Here we go! This is the end! This is the end! Whoa!
That's not a family ride! That was Fast and Furious!
Get wet. You're gonna get wet. Oh yes, it's lovely.
Oh.
Lovely, it's lovely, it's lovely. Oh, off the short.
yeah.
Do you want to get him first, Jenny? Thanks.
Yeah, I'm bringing him again.
Oh no, I didn't have the video running, we're going to have to do it again. I'm serious. Oh, he's going to bang his knees on his chest.
Oh, that was loads of fun. That was good.
We're going to do it again then.
But yeah.
Same up was hard.